clinic needs to be more functional to reduce the need for the president and other top government functionaries making foreign medical trips. Members of the Senate Committee on Federal Character and Intergovernment Affairs made the point when the State House Permanent Secretary appeared to defend his 2021 budget estimate.
With a budget of 19 billion naira for 2021 for the State House and 1.3 billion earmarked for the State House Clinic, the Permanent Secretary said the funds appropriated to the State House Clinic is grossly inadequate.
What we can do with the resources right now is all that, just to maintain, to try to hold on to what we have until this new budget comes on stream. And this is why we appeal to the committee to intervene.
Join heads with all my members here who do the needful to make sure all their requests is taken into consideration.
Chairman of the Senate Committee on Federal Character and Intergovernmental Affairs, Dan Jumala, said the committee will consider the budget for the State House Clinic, adding that the clinic needs to be more functional. In another development, Chairman of the Senate Committee on Culture and Tourism, Okorocha, says the country is not improving its tourism sector, as the budget for the ministry has been disappointing over time.
Anyone looking at this budget would think that Nigeria is not serious about diversifying the economy.